Good morning from Disturbia on the 26th of July. Here you can see they've sprayed in fog again. It's beginning to rise. It comes down from above like a curtain and then they draw it up. You can see there is a thick band here, blue. It's always this ubiquitous blue band around the periphery. In the Bible, it talks about lying signs and wonders and signs in the heavens in the last days. And these are the signs in the heavens in the last days. And people are ignoring them. Jesus Christ said, "Watch that ye are not taken unawares." And he told us what the signs of the times would be, and yet people ignore them. Like you can hardly see the cross on the top of this church. I can't even focus in on it. Make no mistake, wickedness is afoot. It's all around us. It's real. People want to believe in everything, but they don't want to believe in the truth. You can already see the scalar running through this shite here from hell, this slime from Hades. There's a definite chill to the air, and that's not because they're putting in ice nucleation. It's because in reality it is cold. We are in the day of the Lord. And the wicked are covering it up, telling us it's hot. We're in the global warming, climate change. It's their machinations and manipulations that they are doing to the atmosphere and to all of creation in order to change us. They want the change. And how they do it is through destruction. Because they hate God. It's all about anarchy. That's what the A in Freemasonry is, anarchy. Just take a look at this. They think they can destroy God, and they think that if nobody believes in God anymore, that God will just simply disappear. This is their wishful thinking. This is their pipe dream. What they really want is to bring about paganism in the public square, which they're already doing with their pride. They're raising their fist in the face of God and challenging him daily to do something about it. But you cannot tempt God. You can try. But he remains unimpinged because he is God, whether people believe in him or whether they don't believe in him. He remains sovereign. Just take a look at this thing. Totally unnatural. Slicing and dicing of the chemtrail sheet that they've sprayed in. It's a live stream or a dead stream. They're getting these frequencies into us, changing our blood because they know that the life is in the blood. Now it looks like it's closing back up again. Probably the temperature is going to go way up today because of this fog. Yesterday we had fog also in spots for a high of 26. You go outside and you realize that you're just not getting any air. So many people with asthma suffering, COPD, animals as well. All of these crazy diseases that the animals are getting, including diabetes. Not natural. They're just plying us with their poisons. I just heard one bird. I used to hear birds out here every morning singing and wake up at around 4:15. And for a couple of weeks now, I haven't heard hardly anything. The Tower of Babel, Take 2, Descent into Hell.